Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if microphone is not working on your Windows or the laptop microphone is not working on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So first is you need to make sure that your speaker right here at the taskbar, this is not muted. So you need to make sure of that. And if this is muted in your Windows, just simply unmute that. Then click on the start button and then go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you will find privacy and security. Scroll down and you will find microphone under app permissions. Click on microphone. Now make sure that microphone access is enabled. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have microphone access when this is on. So if this is turned off, access your camera or your microphone. Sorry for that. Let apps access your microphone. Make sure the button is switched on. Then you have here for the camera for any applications that needs to use your microphone like Microsoft Teams, also for WhatsApp. You need to enable the button to make sure that this application is allowed to use your microphone on your Windows. So you need to make sure of that. Now once done, simply close out of here and then go to the Windows search bar and type sound settings. Click on sound settings under the best match. Now here you have to scroll down and find the more sound settings. Click on that. And here you'll find this small window. Now here you need to make sure that your microphone is set as the default device. So in my case, I have this Realtek Audio and this is already set as the default device. Now if this is not set as the default device, just click on that and click on this set default. And after that, you just need to simply make a right click or double click and then you'll find the levels tab. Make sure this is not muted. Just simply set this to the maximum and then click on apply and click on OK and then click on OK. And that's it. So if any of the solutions helped in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.